Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm here today to teach you HTML. So let me begin with the HTML introduction. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext refers to the hyperlinks that an HTML page may contain. Markup language refers to the way tags are used to define the page layout and elements within the page. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. It describes the structure of a web page and tells the browser how to display the content. Now, let me show you a very simple HTML document. The doc.html declaration defines that this document is an HTML5 document. The HTML element is the root element of the HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the HTML page. The title element specifies the title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser's title bar or in the Pages tab. And you could see that I put the title as Intellect Scholar. The body element defines the document's body and is a container for all the visible contents like headings, paragraphs, and images. Here, I had assigned the H1 element which defines as a large heading as HTML introduction. And I put the P element which defines the paragraph as what is HTML. Finally, when you try it yourself with any HTML editors, the result will be exactly like this. What is an HTML element? An HTML element is defined by a start tag and there will be some contents in the between and an end tag. And the HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag. So if you see here, there is the heading and the paragraph with contents has my first heading as the heading and my first paragraph has the paragraph. So here, this table shows you what is the start tag, the element contents, and the end tag. If you notice in the third row, there is a BR element. So this describes that some HTML elements have no content, and these elements are called the empty elements, which do not have an end tag. What are web browsers? The purpose of a web browser like Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox is to read HTML documents and display them correctly. A browser does not display the HTML text, but uses them to determine how to display the document. Here is the visualization of an HTML page structure. The content inside the body section, which is the white area, will be displayed in a browser. Remember, only the content inside the body section, which is in the white area, will be displayed in a browser. HTML editors. A simple text editor is all you need to learn HTML. Web pages can be created and modified by using professional HTML editors. However, for learning HTML, we recommend a simple text editor like Notepad for PC or TextEdit for Mac.